Welcome to our daily vocabulary journey, where we uncover fascinating words and learn how to use them effectively. Today's word is ubiquitous, a term you'll find incredibly useful in describing things that are everywhere. Let's dive into the meaning and origin of this intriguing word. Ubiquitous, pronounced ubiquitous, is an adjective. It means present, appearing, or found everywhere. This word originates from the Latin ubique, which directly translates to everywhere, highlighting its core meaning. Now let's see how ubiquitous fits into everyday conversations with some practical examples. In the age of smartphones, social media has become truly ubiquitous. You'll find its presence almost unavoidable. Another example, the company's logo is ubiquitous, appearing on billboards and merchandise across the city. This illustrates how a brand can achieve widespread visibility. To further enhance your understanding, let's explore some words with similar and opposite meanings. Synonyms for ubiquitous include pervasive, omnipresent, and universal. These words all convey a sense of being widespread or present everywhere. Conversely, antonyms for ubiquitous are rare, scarce, and limited. These terms describe something that is not commonly found or is restricted in its presence. To help you remember ubiquitous, here's a simple mnemonic device. Think of ubiquitous as being like a brick wall. It's everywhere, solid, and ever-present. This visual association can make the word stick in your mind. Now it's your turn. Challenge yourself to use ubiquitous in a sentence. Share your sentences in the comments section below. We love seeing your creativity and how you apply these new words. Don't forget to subscribe for more Word of the Day videos to keep expanding your vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and we encourage you to share this video with anyone looking to enrich their language skills. Join us again tomorrow for another exciting word.